.5G networks offer exceptional network services, but they also consume more power compared to 4G networks. To reduce operational costs, an intelligent energy-saving network management software is needed, which is currently lacking in the domestic market. The Athena Orchestrator, a private network management solution, fills this technological gap. Athena Orchestrator, developed by the Industrial Technology Research Institute, is an AI-powered platform for 5G O-RAN private networks. It offers energy-saving capabilities, intelligent control, and customized field management for various private networks, including smart factories, competitive unmanned drones, healthcare, and logistics. Field testing has validated its ability to achieve up to 40% weekly energy savings, effectively reducing energy consumption in 5G networks. This solution further supports domestic 5G private network equipment vendors in competing in the global 5G market. Athena Orchestrator won the gold medal at the 2023 Edison Awards and is recognized as the top energy-saving private network solution in Taiwan.